So let me give you another truth bomb that most people don't want to hear. Your car doesn't break down overnight. It breaks down in silence. People think breaking down is a bad luck. No, it's usually months of tiny problems stack up while the car is literally begging you for attention. That faint rattling you heard last week, that weird vibration at a stoplight, that burning smell you ignore, those are early warning signs. The car isn't trying to scare you, it's trying to save itself. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The smell problem you ignore today becomes a big repair you complain about tomorrow. Cars are honest. They always give signal. Most customers just wait until the signal become a tow truck. It's early, fix early. That's how you avoid surprise breakdown.